friends, good morning. It's Leena here. Today's Sunday, and guess what? No school, yay. I'm heading to Grandma's house. I can't wait to see her, help in the garden, and eat her delicious cookies. Come along with me on this fun Sunday adventure. Mom, today is Sunday. You promised we're going to Grandma's house.
Good morning, sweetheart. Yes, I remember. But first, wash your face and eat your breakfast.
Mom, I already brushed my teeth. Can't we go right now?
Not yet, my little impatient girl. Grandma isn't going anywhere.
But she's waiting for me. I don't want her to wait too long.
Don't worry, my love. She'll be so happy to see you. But we can't visit on an empty stomach, can we?
Maybe if I eat just one cookie instead?
Cookies for breakfast? Oh no, young lady. Not today.
Okay. Then make it fast, Mom. I'm too excited.
Here we go. Warm, fluffy pancakes for my excited traveler.
They smell so good. Wait, are these chocolate chip pancakes?
Maybe, maybe not.
Mom, you promised chocolate chips.
All right. You caught me. Of course they're chocolate chip pancakes. You win again.
That's because I'm the sweetest girl in this house.
Sweetest. Yes, but also the loudest.
Hey, that's not true.
Oh, really? My ears don't think so.
These are perfect. Grandma's going to be so happy when she sees me.
She'll be happier if you don't eat all the pancakes before we go.
Don't worry, Mom. I'm just testing them. For safety.
Safety test approved, little chef. Now finish your breakfast or Grandma's cookies will disappear before we reach her house.
No chance. Grandma always saves cookies for me. She says I'm her favorite.
Oh, really? More than me?
You're my favorite mom, and she's my favorite grandma.
Nice save, young lady. Now hurry up, Grandma's waiting.
Mom, I'm wearing this one today.
The yellow dress again? You just wore it last week. Why this one, sweetie?
Because Grandma loves yellow. She always says I look like a little sunshine in this dress.
Ah, that's true. You really do look like sunshine when you wear it.
Then Grandma will be super happy when she sees me.
I'm sure she will, my dear. You always know how to make her smile.
Okay, Mom. I've packed my storybook, crayons, and flowers for Grandma. Can we go now?
Looks like we're all set. Ready, my little sunshine?
Ready. Let's go, Mom. Grandma's waiting. Grandma, I'm here.
Oh, my sweet little Leena. You came. Come here, my dear. Give Grandma a big hug.
Grandma, I missed you so much.
I missed you too, my sunshine. You're growing taller every time I see you.
Good morning, Mom. How are you?
I'm fine, dear. I was just waiting for my favorite girls to arrive. Come in.
Grandma, I can smell cookies. Are they for me?
Of course, my dear. I know my little Leena loves cookies more than anything.
Yay! Grandma's cookies are the best in the world.
Leena says that every time. Now I feel jealous.
Oh, don't worry. My cookies are for everyone. But this time, Leena will help me bake the next batch.
Really, Grandma? I can help?
Yes, my dear. You'll be my little helper in the kitchen today.
Yay! I can't wait!
But first, rest a little. You've come a long way. Then I'll show you something special outside later.
Something special? What is it, Grandma?
You'll see soon, my little one. All right, my little helper, are you ready to bake some cookies?
Yes, Grandma. I've been waiting all morning.
Okay, first, we need flour, butter, sugar, and love, lots of love.
Love, is that an ingredient too?
Of course it is. Every delicious cookie needs a little bit of love.
Okay, step 1, love. Step 2, sugar.
Very good. Now, can you mix the butter and sugar together? Slowly, slowly. Yes, just like that.
Wow, Grandma, this is hard work. My arm is tired already.
That's because you're using all your energy to talk instead of mix.
Grandma, you're teasing me.
All right, let me help. Together we can do it.
You two look so cute together, like best friends in the kitchen.
That's because we are best friends, right, Grandma?
Yes, my dear. My best little friend.
Now what, Grandma?
Now, we wait for the cookies to bake. And while we wait, I'll tell you a story.
Yay, story time. I love your stories.
Me too, Mom. Tell us something from when you were young.
Let me think. When I was your age, Leena, there were no phones or computers. We played outside all day. We made flower necklaces and chased butterflies.
Wow, that sounds like so much fun. Did you have a best friend too, Grandma?
Yes, her name was Mira. We did everything together, playing, studying, even stealing mangoes from the big tree near our school.
You stole mangoes, Grandma. You were naughty.
Now I know where Leena gets her mischief from.
Oh no! The secret is out.
Cookies are ready. Cookies are ready.
Careful, they're hot. Wait a little before eating.
It smells amazing. Can I have one now? Please, please?
All right, but only one.
Wow, so yummy, Grandma. These are the best cookies ever.
Thank you, my dear. But remember, the secret ingredient is always love.
I'll never forget that. Love makes everything sweeter. Wow, Grandma, your garden looks so colorful. It's like a rainbow of flowers.
Thank you, my dear. I've been growing these flowers for many years. Each one has a story.
A story? Flowers have stories?
Oh yes. Every flower grows with care, sunshine, and love. Just like people, they need attention and kindness to bloom beautifully.
That's true. So, flowers are like happy people?
Exactly, little one. Now, let's give them a good drink of water. They must be thirsty after this sunny day.
Okay, Grandma. I will water them gently.
Good job, my dear. Not too much, just enough to make the soil wet.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. You have soft hands, just like your mother.
Mom says I'm sometimes messy.
Messy is fine when your heart is full of love. Look, see that rose bush. It was just a small plant when you were born. Now it's full of big red roses.
Really? Wow, it grew up with me.
Yes, just like you. Every year, it blooms a little more stronger, brighter, happier.
Grandma, when I grow up, I want to have a garden too. A big one, full of roses and sunflowers.
You will, my dear. And when you do, remember to talk to your plants.
Talk to them. Will they answer me?
Maybe not with words, but they will listen and grow beautifully when they feel your care.
Hi, little flowers. I hope you're happy.
See, you already make them smile.
Grandma, your garden feels like magic. Everything here is alive.
That's because everything here is loved, my dear. Love makes everything grow flowers, hearts, and families. Here you go, dear. A cup of warm tea for you. And a glass of milk for my little Leena.
Thank you, Grandma. Everything feels so peaceful here.
Yes, it's so calm. No noise, no traffic, just nature and love.
Look, Grandma. The sky looks like a big painting.
It does, my dear. Every evening paints a new picture. Nature never forgets to show us beauty. We just have to look.
I wish I could stay here forever.
You can always visit, my sweet girl. And remember, Grandma's home is your home.
That's why she loves coming here so much.
Because I spoil her too much, right?
Yes, and I love it. Grandma, it feels so nice, the air, the flowers, your stories, everything here makes me happy.
That's because happiness lives in small, simple moments, my dear.
Mom, I don't want to go. Can we stay one more day, please?
I know, sweetheart, you had such a lovely time here. But tomorrow is Monday, school day?
I wish school could come here instead. Grandma, I don't want to leave you. I'll miss you so much.
Oh, my dear girl, I'll miss you too. But you know what? Love doesn't stay only when we're together. It travels with you right here.
In my heart?
Yes, my little flower. Whenever you think of me, I'll be right there. That's true, Leena. Grandma's love will always stay with us.
Come on, sweetheart, say goodbye. We'll come again soon.
I'll come again next holiday, Grandma. I'll help you in the garden, and we'll bake more cookies.
I'll be waiting, my sunshine.
Bye, Grandma. I love you.
I love you too, my dear. Always.
And that's the story, friends. I had such a wonderful Sunday at Grandma's house. She always teaches me something special today. She taught me that happiness lives in small, simple moments, like family, love, and time together. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned some new English words too. Remember, you can practice English with stories like this every day. If you like this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beginner English Zone for more fun English stories and conversations. See you soon. Friends, bye-bye.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.